I'm Audrey.
And I'm Chris, and we are 319 Reptiles. We want to introduce you to all our male ball pythons today. This guy we call our little cinnamon roll. His name is Bruno. He is a piebald. He's about 2 years old, and he is one of our breeder-ready females that's been paired up with... breeder-ready males that's been paired up with some of our het piebald females. This is Arboc. He is the first ball python that we got here at 319 Reptiles. He's about maybe a little over 2 years old. He is a Lemonblast, which is Pastel and Pinstripe. He's got beautiful blue eyes. I don't know if you can see that in the camera there. Focus, focus. I don't think it's going to work for us.
Nope.
But anyways, he is probably our most ready male to breed as well. He does great, you know, locking up with all the breeder females that we've paired him to. And he's very docile and handleable. My wife loves even holding him. This is Sam. He is a triple het. So he is het Krypton. I'm sorry, het cryptic het clown, which is known as a Krypton. And then he is also het desert ghost. And we plan when he gets of age and when Beatrice gets to age, we're going to pair them up. And all the babies should be either het cryptic or het clown. And hopefully get some visual desert ghosts.
Are you a dog?
This is Jimothy. Jimothy is
a high boy.
Probably about 6 to 8 months old. He is a pastel double het clown het sunset. And he'll be a potential breeder next year for paired up with another het sunset girl, Cindy, we have. Hopefully get some visual sunsets from him or Ray. And speaking of Ray, here he is. Thank you, Audrey. Here's Ray. Ray is a fire het sunset. He is about a little over a year old, and he has been paired up this year with our female clown. He's been a good eater, real docile. He did have a respiratory infection probably about 3 months ago. Luckily, we caught it in time and were able to give him antibiotics to help him get over that. And he's good as new now. Here's Chewbacca. He's one of our stars of 319 Reptiles. This boy is a Wookie clown. He's probably hatched around the August, September time frame. We got him at Tinley this past year, and he was on a hunger strike for quite a while. He was requiring to be assist fed, and just recently started taking frozen thawed. And we tried everything. We tried live, frozen thawed, scented. Just didn't understand it. It took me talking to him like a Wookie to get him to eat. Here's our other star male we got this past year. He's probably about 6 to 8 months old as well. His name is Pennywise. He is a Russo red stripe visual clown. I hope to pair him to quite a few het clown ladies that we have next year. Look how pretty he is. So this boy is a banana piebald. His name is Pumpkin. We thought he was a girl when we first hatched him, and he was part of the first clutch hatched at 319 Reptiles. Funny story, when we were first getting started, we bought a breeder-ready female from a breeder, and she came, we got her set up, and a week later she laid 4 eggs. And here's Pumpkin. He was one of the banana pieds. we believe the father was a banana leopard piebald ball python. And then this is his brother Zeus. Zeus, I think, is piebald. He has one little spot on his tail that it's very hard to see right here, where white goes all the way around, and he's got the markings of a piebald on his dorsal here. But I can probably be convinced that he might just be banana. And that's all the males we have here at 319 Reptiles so far. We should have some eggs being laid here in the coming weeks, we hope. Fingers crossed. We've got another video coming to you next week that'll be introduction to all our females.
That's going to be a lot.
Yes, we got more females than males. So please leave us some comments down below on how we can improve or what you'd like to see. If you liked what you saw today, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving us your time.